We're going to show you how to install an outside corner flashing detail, which helps protect more vulnerable areas of the roof. You'll be using a torch, so take all appropriate safety precautions. For outside corners, measure and trim the flashing base sheet. Run 4 inches past the can strip horizontally. Run at least 8 inches above the can strip vertically. Wrap the base sheet 4 inches around the corner. Trim the corners of the sheet at an angle to help the membrane lie flat. Measure and mark the bottom of the flashing base sheet. With a torch, install the flashing base sheet starting from the bottom and work your way up the wall. Look for a bleed out between 1/4 and 3/8 of an inch for proper adhesion. Before welding the horizontal surface, make relief cuts at each angle to allow the membrane to lie flat around the corner. Repeat until you've installed all the flashing base sheet to the roof deck and around the corner. Install the other side using the same procedure. Ensure a 4-inch corner overlap. Then you could start installing the flashing cap sheet. Start by measuring and trimming the flashing cap sheet. Horizontally, it should run 4 inches past the flashing base sheet. Vertically, it should line up with the top of the base sheet. Install the cap sheet with the torch. Use the same bottom-up method you used installing the base sheet. Create an 8-inch overlap around the corner. Before welding, make relief cuts at each angle change. Look for bleed out between 1/4 and 3/8 of an inch. Cover exposed bleed out with granules before it cools. Repeat the process on the other side of the corner. Measure and trim the flashing cap sheet to match the completed side. Horizontally, it should run 4 inches past the flashing base sheet. Vertically, it should line up with the top of the base sheet. Cut the cap sheet flush along the vertical edge. Cut a 45-degree miter away from the corner. Round off the corner for a strong weld. Install the cap sheet with the same bottom-up method, watching for proper bleed out. Cover the seams with granules as you work. Use patches cut from cap sheets to reinforce angle changes. Simply heat and apply to any areas where you've made relief cuts. Then finish with granules. For more information on where to buy these and other GAF products, visit gaf.com.